Good day, people. It is March 1st. And yeah, guys, so it's the beginning of March. I swear these months have been flying so quick. So it's March 1st. And I'm going to my auntie's house right now. That's my outfit. Oh, I see my mother now. I'm going to Auntie Nisha's house. I'm going to her house. Yeah, I am. Just going for the day because I'm bored. Yes, people. Me done my auntie yard. Me just done wax off a patty and drink a churros. Let me wipe my screen. Yeah, that's better. I ate a chicken patty. I love chicken patty. It's like curry and the chicken are just nice. So I'm just here chilling. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, this banana's nice. So I have Kisco and banana, so I'm gonna eat this right now, guys. What's up, party people? Come and let me love to that now. I go downtown, like always. So basically, I'm just sitting around getting fat, and my body has been feeling sore. So any opportunity that I get to go downtown, I'm trying to take it so I can kind of exercise my body. I'm going to the taxi now. And everything, guys. A tip: if you guys take taxi out here, ask for a drink with no ice because it's gonna start spilling all over the place. I forgot to tell them. Hey guys, so I made banana fritters this morning. So I should have showed you guys the process, but yeah, this is my first time making it. Look how it looks. Yes, I'm about to try it right now. It smells delicious. You're spinning. You want to joke off a Jacqueline? You're not tired, man, you vomit. Watch out. Guys, look at my little supermodel. Yeah, supermodel? Yeah? Okay. Pose. Watch out. You got the bend foot. Okay. Waiting for chicken and chips, guys. Michaela, low, man.
Don't move, Jayla, Michaela.